Hello, welcome my YouTube friends. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make at least 10,000 naira per day with Jumia and your WhatsApp only. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, my name is Wally Lukman Motayo. On this channel, I share videos on how you can make money online for free. If that's what you are looking for, then hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop video. So let's continue. I know everybody have a friend that always posts clothes on WhatsApp. I said this on WhatsApp: shoes, trousers, mid dresses. So, but I will be showing how you can do this without any capital, and how you can just get the clothes that you are going to sell for free. So let's continue. We'll be using Jumia as our marketplace where we can get the product we want to sell. As you can see, different clothes. Okay, let's check this one out. We are using the female one. This lady casual short sleeve or dress multicolor printing office lady. As you can see, this dress, you can just get this dress from the picture from you can get the picture from Jumia. You download the picture. As you can see, you download the picture on Jumia, and the price on Jumia is 3,480, and let's say 35, and it is free delivery to your site anywhere you are in Lagos. It's free delivery. So all you have to do is just to get this picture and other picture you like, these shoes, anyone, this necklace. Check their quality. This the wristwatch and bags also. You can check as many as you want. See another mini gown. So you can just get them downloaded on your phone, and you go to your WhatsApp status and post these pictures. And don't forget to add your profit. Let's say 2,000, 1,500 or 3,000 is what you're going to be putting. As you can see here, this is one of my brother on WhatsApp. So let's it load up. These are the buyers and sellers on WhatsApp. So you can also start posting this picture. So if you have a friend or family that are interested to buy it, all you have to do is just go back to Jumia and purchase the product and get it delivered to your house and rebrand it, so that if you don't want the person to know that it's from Jumia, you buy it and rebrand it. You collect the money, pay the although because Jumia also accept pay on delivery. So collect the money, pay Jumia all your profits, and you rebrand it and send it to the person. So just as simple as that, without even using your own money at all. So, and if you can get that 3,005 product, and you can sell like 5 or 6 a day, that will be over 10,000 naira. And there are a lot of product. The more you post and the more people know you are selling these things, the more they recommend you to their friends. And before you know, you turn yourself to WhatsApp vendor, where they can you turn yourself to their shop plug, where they can get their clothes, their bags or their shoe from. And you also make money without even use your capital to start the business. So, and if you don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos.